You know how some people would wake up in the morning and they would feel great and sing in the showers? I'm not one of them. Good morning. Hi. Welcome back. No. Take two. I've been asked a lot of questions from my friends and family if I'm safe, because basically I'm living at the epicenter of this pandemic. I'm living in the bridge between New York and New Jersey, which is basically Jersey City. I'm doing great. The only danger that I'm in is the danger of obesity, because, we stay at home and, Anyway, the reason I'm driving to New York today is to drop off one of my inhalers, extra inhalers, for a friend who lives at Manhattan. And I'm also going to be going to Brooklyn to visit another friend. I haven't been out for so long. It's been like 1.5 months, and I finally got the day off today. So, necessity calls. Like, my excuse is going and dropping off the inhaler. But I also wanted to see what my workplace is like, as I'm going back to work on Friday. I would be taking the train back to New York on Friday, but today I guess I'm gonna lay in the groundwork, so to speak. Is that what you say? Lay in the groundwork? I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna be testing the waters, and I'm going to be wearing a mask and the gloves, so I'll be perfectly safe and perfectly fine inside my car. So let's go. Here's the game plan. I live in Jersey City, and I'm going to be driving to Midtown Manhattan, where I drop off the groceries and my inhaler. From there, I'm going to be driving to Brooklyn and meet my friend. And then I'm going to be heading back through Manhattan to Jersey City. So first, I've got my mask on, and I've got my gloves on. Don't forget my car keys. Okay, there's my car. Y'all, I look like a freaking doctor. At that moment, just as I was about to enter the Holland Tunnel, I realized how dangerous this could be. The corona. Just kidding, I'm not that stupid. I took every precaution possible. See, it's all deserted here. There's like hardly anyone that's going around, and everyone I see has masks on. Isn't that crazy? It's like a ghost town. Everyone in sight has their mask on. Okay, so I just dropped off the inhaler and the groceries at my friend's place. Now I'm heading to Brooklyn for my other friend. Okay, let's drive. Ooh, there's the World Trade Center. And there's a huge truck. Yo, check this out. They're towing this bus. And I ran another red light. So my office is like right around that area, the World Trade Center area. And I'm heading there. Let's go, let's go!
Now.
Huh?
It is now.
Are you talking while it's recording?
I'm just telling you it's recording.
So yeah, I'm at Brooklyn. We're at Coney Island. I picked up my friend. I'm gonna eat what my friend from Manhattan made me, and then we're gonna see how crowded the Coney Island boardwalk is. I'm surprised that there's so many people here today, and it's a Wednesday. And that guy's totally chilling. There's everything in Brooklyn. I feel like Brooklyn has a lot more people out than Manhattan does. Why do you think that is?
Maybe it's just this area.
No, I mean, I drove through Brooklyn and a lot of people are out.
Maybe because Brooklyn's like way more residents.
Okay, guys, so I'm heading back to Jersey City. From Brooklyn, it's gonna be like a 45-minute drive back. And it's actually scary the amount of people that are like roaming around everywhere. So there's like people everywhere, but at least they're wearing masks. So guys, I'm back to Jersey City. I feel like Manhattan is a lot less crowded than Brooklyn is. Brooklyn, there's a lot, it's more densely populated and people are out everywhere. So yeah, I don't think I should have an issue, because when I was driving by my office area, I feel like there were hardly any people in sight. So I should be good to go to the office on Friday. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.